9 years ago, the world of photography changed forever, and since then it hasn't stopped for a second. This April, we're returning to Kickstarter to drive it another step forward. Imagine total control over your iPhone's camera like never before, with no less than 5 external buttons, just like a real DSLR. Imagine a more comfortable and safer grip for taking pictures one-handed, even with gloves. Imagine connecting it to real camera accessories. Unleash the power of your iPhone's camera for better pictures time after time. Pictar. DSLR your iPhone. So let's take a closer look at some of Pictar's more exciting features. The first and most important is letting the iPhone's camera live up to its full potential. Pictar offers no less than 5 external buttons for controlling the iPhone's camera. The multi-state electronic shutter button is calibrated for maximum sensitivity, just like high-end cameras. A half press on the shutter button locks the focus and exposure to allow tracking of a moving object or to compose the perfect shot. Pressing all the way will result in an immediate shot. Want to take control to the next level? Just press on the center of the screen and move the circle anywhere you want to measure lighting. At the front of the grip is the zoom ring. Turn it to zoom into the subject or out. Pressing this ring will let you toggle between the front and back camera for the coolest selfies ever. And what's most cool about Pictar is that it lets you take pictures with one hand, leaving your other hand for other important things. Now let's move up to the exposure compensation wheel, which gives complete control over the exposure simply by turning it right or left. Increments are by f-stop values, just like in any DSLR. This button can truly open up a whole new world of playing with light. The last button is the Smart Wheel. Same as all other controls, it's also fully programmable. With the Pictar app that comes with the device, you decide which parameters you want to control. In default mode, the Smart Wheel controls the photo modes such as Sport, Portrait, Snow, and more, but this can easily be changed to manual mode and many other options. Pictar app is the turbo engine driving Pictar forward. To develop it, we teamed up with a great app company, which gave it maximum ease of use. The app is operated by a patented ultrasonic frequency system, which offers low power consumption of both Pictar and the iPhone compared to standard Bluetooth connection. Pictar design is inspired by classic DSLR cameras. When you hold it, you'll feel right at home thanks to the ergonomic body, coated with non-slip material. Pictar is designed for a steady one-handed grip without compromising on the compact feel of taking pictures with a smartphone. And it even works with gloves. Pictar comes with a comfy wristband to keep it secured, and also a padded case to keep it safe in your bag. A standard 1/4 inch connector on the bottom lets you connect any tripod for extra creative shots. And a cold shoe connector on top is useful for many lighting devices. Pictar is compatible with iPhone models from 4 to 6S and is designed to suit future models too when it's time to upgrade. It also makes sharing a single Pictar to be super easy and fun. Oh yeah, and there's us, Team Migo. And this is our 3rd time we're on Kickstarter, after we brought to market, thanks to you, more than 10 products that make photography a lot more fun and simple. To develop Pictar, we put together a winning team that includes product designers, app developers, and techies who worked together for a year to make this dream come true. Dear backers, we're turning to you again and asking for your support to bring Pictar to market. Join us. Pictar. DSLR your iPhone.